then you need another edition. The main reason which makes us do these drugs, guys, is unemployment. You don't have things to do. Don't get stressed or get worried about a lot of things. I've been seated at home like 2 years now.
This one makes us feel better. Stress. Don't think too much when you drink this. Every day, I take one bottle and I feel high. And I don't drink anything.
In a day, we say about $100 to $150. We make a profit of about $100, just one box. We have got some buyers, they outside South Africa. So we contact each other, we send them some money, and they bring the drugs by the bus.
Adcock Ingram, the South African company behind Bronclear, told us